Hi everyone, Mike here. In this episode I'm going to be showing you how to make your own almond flour, almond butter, and almond milk. Almonds are full of nutrients and healthy fats, and they're an easy go-to when eliminating wheat products from your home. My family enjoys them in many recipes, and they have become a staple in our household. They can be quite expensive in the stores, but I'm going to show you how to make your very own. So let's get started with almond flour. You'll need a food processor, 2 cups of almonds, and 1 glass container with a lid for storage. It really is exactly what you think it is. Just add your almonds to your food processor and blend it until it is as fine as you can get it. It usually only takes about 1 minute. Once it's finished, store in an airtight container and use in recipes for breads, muffins, biscuits, cookies, and crackers. Next, we're going to be making almond butter. You'll need a food processor, a baking sheet, 2 cups of almonds, a pinch of salt, and a container with a lid for storage. First, you'll need to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Then spread your almonds evenly onto your baking sheet and bake for 15 minutes. Once they're finished, let them cool for about 30 seconds. Then add them to your food processor along with a pinch of salt. This process may take about 10 minutes, or at least until the almonds have a thick batter-like texture. Use a spatula to keep the almond meal blending throughout the process. Depending on the freshness of your almonds, you may have to add some oil to help the blending process. Use a teaspoon of almond or walnut oil, and if these oils aren't available to you, use avocado oil or melted coconut oil. Store your almond butter in a container for storage. You can use it as a dip for fruit or as an ingredient for many baking recipes. And now that you have your almond butter, you can easily make your almond milk. So let's get started. You'll need a blender, a strainer, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 4 cups of water, 1 or 2 pitted dates for sweetness if needed, and a glass container for storage. Add your water and your almond butter into your blender. Add some dates if you feel like you need a little sweetness. Blend on high for 30 to 60 seconds. Then once the liquid has turned white, strain it into a glass container and store in your refrigerator for up to 4 days. Enjoy your almond milk as a beverage, with your homemade cereals, and in a variety of recipes. Making these products at home can save you a lot of money. Keep your eye out on sales and stock up on almonds when you find a good deal. Please give this episode a like and subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more content on how to enhance the health of you and your family. You can follow Jodwin Health on Twitter and Instagram. See you next time.